Today in writing, we are going to review some of our text features that you'll see when you read informational text, but you also should be using in your own informational text. And then we're going to talk about a new type of home. And we're learning about homes around the world because we actually are going to do a project with them and we're going to write an informational piece. So we're using informational text to write a new informational text. That's actually called research or researching. All right, so we have some text features, photographs, captions, table of contents. Remember, captions just tell you a little more about the picture. Table of contents tell you what page you can find certain topics on. Types of font, highlight, bold, underline, labels, heading and subtitles tell you about that specific section, and diagrams that show how something works, or it has pictures combined with words to help you understand something, a map to show where something is, and a glossary to tell you the meanings of words. We've learned about houseboats that can be found all over the world. We've learned about adobe homes, which can be found in warm, dry environments. And today we're going to learn about something called a yurt. Can you say yurt? And I'm going to skip on down to yurt because we can do that in informational text, right? So here we have, here's another text feature we haven't really talked about, but it's called a cutaway. It helps you see inside something or see more details. So over here we have a picture of a yurt, but then we have off to the side a smaller picture that shows inside the yurt. So we have some things like that too that are fun. Listen for, as we read this, where is a yurt located? Where can it be found? What is it made out of? The materials it's made out of, and then some fun, interesting facts. This is a yurt. It is similar to a tent. The frame and door of the yurt are made from wood, and the covering is a fabric of felted wool. So the frame and the door. So you see how the door is made out of wood, and then the frame is just like the structure that it has posts to hold it together. And the covering, this part that kind of looks like a tent, that part is made out of fabric. A yurt can hold between 5 to 15 people, so it can actually hold quite a bit of people. It can be quickly taken down and moved to a new location, kind of like a tent. That's probably why it's similar to a tent. Yurts are mostly found in Central Asia. Now, so that's the location, mostly found in Central Asia. I actually know that they're found other places too. So I think it was Oregon. I went and stayed in Oregon one time, and it was like a campsite, but they actually had yurts. It was kind of cool because a lot of times when I go camping, I stay in a tent. But this was nicer because it kept me more warm. It was more sturdy, thicker. It was bigger, so you could really walk around in it. But it was just like a big, sturdy tent, really, but thicker and warmer and more space, depending on what size tent you have. So let's go to right up here. So we have yurt here. And the first thing was the location. We learned that it was found in Central Asia mostly, but it can be found other places. And I know that because I've experienced it myself, even though we didn't read about it. And then it's made out of wood. The door is made out of wood and the frame is made out of wood. But it's covered in fabric, which is felted wool. So it's covered in that fabric. Felted wool is just a type of fabric. And then some bonus facts that I added in was that it holds 5 to 15 people and it can quickly be taken down and moved. So these are our 3 types of homes, and we will, I think starting next week, start writing about them. But before we do that, I wanted to show you because today is your writing, and I want you to continue to add in these text features and make sure you're using facts similar to these. Maybe you could do your own home. Where's your own home located? What city is your own home in? What is your home made out of? And what are some bonus facts about your home? So that's kind of the writing prompt I want you to do today. Today I want you to write about your own home. Give me facts. Have a topic sentence. Now, I have a little activity for you that we're introducing today, but we'll talk more about it next week. 2 blank pieces of paper. I'm going to stack them nicely together. Then I'm going to line them up with my finger. Hold that there. Hold them. Slide my hand back. And I'm just using 2 pieces of paper. Now you can keep it like that, or if you have a stapler, you can staple it like a little book. Really loud, sorry. So now I've stapled it, and now I have a little book. The first page, I'll have a cover and a title. Then I can open it up. And on my first page, I'm going to want to name my topic and do my topic sentence. So I could write my topic down here and then add some text features. So that first page, you'll want to make sure you do a topic sentence. You could add a heading. So what is your topic about? Write topic sentence, draw a picture, labels. And then this page, this middle part, you're going to want to have your facts. So you'll write about fact number 1. You'll write about fact number 2. So write 1 fact here, 1 fact here, draw pictures, add text features. And then on the last page will be your closing. And you'll write 1 closing sentence and add some features. So again, this is your title page. I just used 2 pieces of paper and I folded them together. Title page. Topics. Oh, you could add a table of contents here. Ooh, that would be a great idea. Fact number 1, fact number 2, and a closing. Even add a glossary back here. So table of contents are usually found in the front, and then the glossary is usually found in the back, so you could use those. If you aren't ready to make this today, that's okay. You can just use your writing journal and write about something you know all about. But if you do make one of these books, please send me some pictures, okay? All right, have fun writing about something you know all about.